Hello collectors and trappers all over the world. Hello Sammler und Fallensteller überall auf der Erde. A few days ago I saw a video made by Mr. Scoutcrafter, and he went up into his attic to do an engraving job, and I saw all that stuff he has in his attic, and I asked myself, how is he able to find one certain thing in all that stuff? I don't really know. And I have to tell you something. Well, in the last week, I sold a TableGrill. It's called TableGrill in Tischgrill in German, and I don't know where this TableGrill was to be found in my basement, and I have to search for about 1 day. It's not the whole day, but 2 or 3 hours I was searching in my basement, and then I got my TableGrill. But what do you think? Is Scoutcrafter able to find any certain thing he wants to show in his attic? I do not really know. But now I want to show you my TableGrill. So here you see the little TableGrill. It's about 18 or 20 centimeters long, and it was a giveaway of a famous German food company. And now I want to start to restore or to clean up this old spanner made by a company is still alive and called Gedore from Germany, and it's a spanner made on DIN 894, and the measurement is 32 millimeters. It's looking quite nice, a little bit dirty, and so I guess let's get started. So now I stopped finished the polishing of this spanner from the factory Gedore, because this spanner is bended. I hope you can see it. Look at this. And I have no dake. And the second thing is that the mouth of this spanner is about, look at this, it's about 33, nearly 35 millimeters wide. And here is standing 32. So in the mouth is the spanner extremely wide. Okay, but it looks quite nice.